Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sujib. I am from class 465. And now I want to explain about start a good speaking strategy, which we have to first to do is choose the topic and theme you will deliver to the audience. This time I took the theme of cleanliness, where the speech delivers about the new regulation into environment, namely office and school. When delivering the speech, consider dictionaries and affirmation word, and attention to reaction will arise to the audience. Arrange the material in order, starting with collecting data, sorting out data, and selecting data to be delivered at speech, and next, analyzing the audience based on them. General matter the face. In this case, the problem faced is the problem of environmental cleanliness and number of audience. There are quite a number of people in that place, office or school. Age range. The age of listeners in the office are people with mature thinking, while at school the listeners are students and are still children. And gender based on gender, both men and women must listen to the speech. Second, analyzing the place and time you will present the speech. We need to find out whether the area of place we are going to use has non-verbal barriers or not. Based on the place between the office and at school, different place at school, usually the speech is delivered in the open field, and in the office usually the speech is delivered in the meeting room. And third, focusing on the audience needs. Pay attention to the motivation of the arrival of the audience, and pay attention to audience knowledge level, and pay attention to possible audience reaction or attitude. Thus, in the office need a concise and effective delivery with a little humor and a little effective language. As for students, effective attitude are more highlighted. Fourth, believe in yourself. Be confident. Believe in your abilities. Believe that you can, you deserve, and that you are the most appropriate to deliver this presentation. 5. Attention your appearance. You can increase your confidence with your physical appearance. Get the first impression given by the speaker to the audience. 6. Choose the style of language to be used in conveying the content of the material. Divided by two, formal and informal. Formal when confronted with an academic audience, office meeting, and in news session on television or radio media. The language used is a polite and formal language with a formal appearance and orderly and structured atmosphere, for example, in the office. And informal, when faced with listeners from among children and adolescents in the school. 7. Use effective language technique, not convoluted. 8. Use ice-breaking techniques. And interesting opening. Opening can be done with an illustration, but relevant to the topic of monasticism. Use joke. The joke material is very broad because it can be taken from a variety of stories, everyday cases, advertisement picture, other people experience, research result, and so on. 9. In the delivery of information, give attention to the vocal techniques as follows. Breathing techniques. Manage your volume in the file. Raise your voice while in the room. It does need to be too loud. Vocal expression. Speech, high and low sound, intonation, pace, speed of speech. phrasing, ability to cut off sentence, and accompanied by pauses. 10. Give eye contact to audience by maintaining eye contact. This will build trust between us and the audience. 11. Give a few questions to the audience in closing. Before closing the speech, it's good to ask a few random questions to the audience just to make sure whether the audience can understand the speech delivered or not. Okay, that's all from me about the strategy of the speech in the office and school environment.